If we could go on a date anywhere in the world, where would you pick and what would you do? What would we do? Okay, that is a really good question. Okay, first of all, this question actually belongs to girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. Okay, and you have to ask this question to your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. That ki if we could kind of like a something really just a date that you want. Okay, the date that you imagine and date that you kind of like a something like that he like this is kind of like a something like one of the dream date. Okay, and you have to kind of like a something like imagine. You don't really worry about money, everything, just you just have to think and that's it. Okay, what would be? Okay, in this scenario I am the only one. I don't have any girlfriend or boyfriend. Sorry, not boyfriend. How would I supposed to be have boyfriend? No, I don't really have any girlfriend. Okay, so how do I supposed to ask this question? Okay, it's not. Basically, this question is actually kind of like understanding your partner and so that you could plan better date. Okay, like what is your partner wants to expect from the date. Okay, what is only date? Okay, date means like that. The people who love each other, they actually spending time in somewhere that is besides sex. Okay, I'm not talking about sex. Okay, it's kind of like a something like that key going to the restaurant, going to kind of like a something like coffee shop or whatever it is. Okay, that is called date. Okay, the question is actually is this thing, what is kind of like a something related date that you are kind of like imagine, or what kind of like a something date, like one of the dream date. Okay, yeah. Date, yes. I don't know, like this is kind of like a something topic na. I am really not that much enthusiastic. Why? Like don't get me kind of like a something wrong, but it's just like that ki I like spending time with the person that I love. Okay. But usually I like to spend time with that particular person. Yeah, it's like date is a kind of like a something like that ki okay ठीक है कोई बात नहीं ना यार. It's I don't know, it's like that na ki instead of going to the date I would prefer to travel with her. Okay, like just like going to the date and just wearing something really good and this and that, like I don't know. Okay, yeah, somehow it's good, yeah. Most of the time I usually kind of like if I'm going to the that kind of like a something a specific date means like a very fancy restaurant. You went there, everything is really kind of like a very posh, clean, very standardized, and like there are the violins. People are playing violin, is instrumental, musical instrumental. And it's very romantic, yeah. If I go there, like is this kind of like something very romantic, or is it kind of like something like a date or romantic date or dream date? Would you think it is? I don't know, yeah, dude. Like basically, is this thing? If I'm going to the fancy restaurant, there is only one thing that I'm going for. That is that just for eat. Okay, वो मेरे date के लिए like भाड़ में गए थे. अबे भाड़ में गए नहीं. It's like that. Okay, it's just like you are like we actually come to this restaurant. Okay, yeah, we spend times. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, but it's just like that we came to this restaurant, dude. Okay, मैं तो chicken I wanted to try everything. Okay, it's just like chicken, फिर ये, फिर Hakka noodles, फिर चाउमीन, फिर like I don't know sushi वगैरह वगैरह. But I want to try this thing. Okay. मेरे लिए वो काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग मतलब खाने का जस्ट it's not like I don't know, just like that the people are talking about things and that in the date. Yeah, I like to talk where I don't know, just like that. Maybe it kind of like a something really not really that much interesting. Okay, like basically if I wanted to know my person is significant other person. Okay, I would prefer to go travel with her. Okay, like when you travel with her means like that चलो plan करते कि let's go to Bali. Okay, so while we are traveling, so it's a lot of thing. Okay, like book the ticket, going somewhere, planning this, planning that, where we go, finding the hotel, this and that. We have a lot of challenge, we have a lot of things. Going to the specific or another country that they don't really understand your language, or you don't really understand their language, so it is kind of like a, something very challenging to you and to your partner. How do you handle that situation? How do you kind of like solve this situation वगैरह, or like how do you kind of like enjoy and everything? Okay, because after you kind of like solve every hurdles and then you enjoy it, kind of like something very, I don't know, it's a lot of things to it. It get kind of like a, you just understand that person really really well. Okay, like how, just example is that कि चलो मान लेते you went to Bali with your girlfriend. Okay, Bali is a place, is in Vietnam. I'm not really sure, Vietnam or I don't know. Bali is a kind of like a some little place in which country, I'm not really sure, Indonesia or Vietnam. I'm a bit really confused, but yeah, this is actually a place. Okay, so I'm going with her. So basically is this thing, when we kind of like calculating the budget, I realized that my girlfriend is really good with the numbers. Okay, she could kind of like calculate very fastly with his mind. Okay, like I usually kind of like put the calculation, put the calculator and just calculate this and that, itna kharcha hua, itna kharcha hua. She could do this, that very easily. Okay, this is the thing that you could understand when you spend time with her. Okay, in travel. Okay, जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो तो आप बहुत सारे सिचुएशन सिनारियोज होते हैं. जस्ट एग्जांपल इज दैट कि आई यूजुअली काइंड ऑफ लाइक मैं किसी बड़े ऐसे शहर में जाता हूँ जहाँ पे पीपल डोंट रियली नो मी, आई डोंट रियली नो देम. तो यूजुअली द पर्सन हु इज़ विथ मी, आई यूजुअली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. Okay, so this kind of like a something like that कि you do take care of her, she do kind of like taking care of you. और चलो मान लेते कि आपको चलते चलते आपको ठेस लग गई और आपके पैर से खून निकल रहा है, तो she could kind of like a doing something home remedy. That home remedy मतलब the kind of like a medicine that she make from the stuff at the home or stuff at over there, and everything is kind of like a fix after this thing. So it's kind of like a something like the challenges that you have and how you face that challenges, both of you. It kind of like a something like that you found out a kind of something like very different person. Okay, because when you experience this thing, it required a lot of things. Okay, like when you are going to the date, you are actually showing only a one face that is that you want to show. Okay, but when you are traveling with someone, traveling with your girlfriend, boyfriend, so it's kind of like a something with the you. Okay, yeah, like basically like you became you. Okay, yeah, you are not showing anything, this is exactly you. You are good with the maths, you're good with the budget, you are good with the medicines and stuff like that. He was actually a bit protective, he was kind of like something like find out, try to talk with the person. Okay, so basically this thing, when you do kind of like a spend time in travel, you find out so many things with your significant other, with this and that and that. It's kind of like something challenging, but it's really good. Okay, and I usually prefer to do this instead of going to the date. Okay, yeah, and date is, but the question is actually ask a kind of like a something like date. Then what kind of like a something like date? I don't know, dude. Yeah, it's depend on the conversation. Okay, date are meant to be kind of like a something like the value of the date means like that, the value of the conversation, like basically what kind of like a conversation that you do. Okay, and conversation is really important. How do you do, what kind of like a topic of conversation, this and that, regarding about you, regarding about your life, this and that. Okay, when your conversation becomes so much interesting, then the value of the date is became really higher. Okay, मतलब मान लेते हैं कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हो और आप ऐसे बातें कर रहे हैं, ऐसे बातें कर रहे हैं, लाइक आप 2 घंटे से बैठे हैं और आपने कुछ भी ऑर्डर नहीं किया और आप बस बातें ही कर रहे हैं, आप भूल गए कि आपको ऑर्डर भी करना है उस रेस्टोरेंट में. So it's just like that, when you do stuff like that, the value of the date is kind of like a something goes higher. It depends on what is exactly the conversation. Okay, yeah. But probably I would prefer to be a travel instead of date. Next question.